Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about differences between wooden flooring and vitrified flooring. So let's start. Composition. Wooden flooring is obtained by using a natural wood or solid wood glued to a plywood, whereas vitrified tiles are made by a vitrification process. Vitrification means to convert into a glass-like substance. For manufacturing of vitrified tile, a mixture of clay, silica, quartz, feldspar is set under a high temperature to produce a glass-like texture. Aesthetics. As wood is a natural material, it gives a very natural look. Wooden flooring looks luxurious and cozy, and if merged with other type of flooring, it can give a designer look to a room. Whereas vitrified tiles give an artificial or modern look to a home. Fireproof. Wooden floors catches fire easily, whereas vitrified flooring is fireproof and does not catch fire. Durability. If properly maintained, wooden flooring can last for lifetime or even more. Please note, durability also depends on type of wood used in the flooring. Whereas vitrified tiles are also durable but not as durable as wood. A good quality tile can last for up to 30 years and even longer if prepared and maintained properly. Termite resistance. Wooden flooring is prone to termite attack, hence proper care has to be taken. Whereas vitrified flooring is termite resistant. Water absorption. Wood is porous and so water absorption is high, hence it is not suitable for wet areas like bathrooms. Whereas vitrified tiles are non-porous and hence absorption of water is very low, so it is suitable for wet areas like bathrooms. Resistance to scratches. Wooden flooring has low resistance to scratches. It can easily get scratched by dogs, chairs with casters, children, etc. Whereas vitrified tiles have more resistance to scratches. So even when tiles are scratched, the color of the tiles will remain same. Dimensional stability. Wood expands in hot climate and contracts in cold climate. Thus, during atmospheric changes, it is subjected to changes in dimensions. Whereas there is no effect of humidity on vitrified tiles. Slip resistance. Wooden flooring is less slippery as compared to vitrified flooring, whereas vitrified tiles are very slippery when wet as compared to wooden flooring. Thickness. Wooden flooring has a general thickness of 18 mm to 22 mm, whereas vitrified tiles have a thickness in the range of 8 mm to 12 mm. Resistance to staining. Wooden flooring has a low resistance to stains. It can be easily stained due to oil spillage, whereas vitrified flooring has a high resistance to stains due to its low porosity. Weight. The weight of wooden flooring is less as compared to vitrified flooring, whereas the weight of vitrified tile including cement mortar bedding is more as compared to wooden flooring. Noise. Wooden flooring produces noise on walking when compared to vitrified flooring, whereas vitrified flooring does not make any noise while walking. Installation. Installation of wooden flooring is relatively complex as compared to vitrified flooring, whereas in case of vitrified tiles, a cement mortar bedding of 20 mm to 25 mm is laid and above that the tiles are laid. Vitrified tiles are easier to install and need particularly no set time or polishing after installation. Therefore, they can be used within 48 hours after installation. Warmer and comfortable. Wooden flooring is very comfortable to walk and also warmer than vitrified tile flooring. Wood has a more friction, so it provides a firm grip to the feet and therefore helps in better movement than tiles. If you have kids, then wooden flooring is safer as compared to tiles, whereas vitrified tile flooring may be hard on feet and also very cold in winter. Maintenance and repair. Maintenance of wooden flooring is relatively hard as compared to vitrified tiles. It can be repaired by sanding and staining several times during its use. Wooden flooring requires refinishing after every 5 to 6 years, which is costlier. Whereas vitrified flooring needs minimal maintenance as it is scratch resistant and abrasion resistant. If damaged, it is hard to repair because the designs of the tile used go out of trend. The reason is tile manufacturers stop making the old designs. so to get exact same tile will be difficult in future. Cost. Wooden flooring is very costly as compared to vitrified tile flooring. Solid wood flooring generally costs 500 rupees per square feet to 1000 rupees per square feet, whereas vitrified tiles are cheaper as compared to wooden flooring. The cost of vitrified tiles varies from 60 rupees per square feet to 160 rupees per square feet. Resale value. Wooden flooring adds value to your home. Homes with wooden flooring sell faster and at higher prices than a home without wood floors, whereas vitrified flooring doesn't add much resale value to your home. Uses. Wooden flooring is used in interior areas like living rooms and bedrooms where warmth is required. It is also used as exterior deck flooring. It is also used in areas where strong acoustics are required, such as auditoriums and dancing halls. It is ideal for cold regions as it creates warmth in the flooring. It should not be used in areas where there is high moisture content such as kitchen, bathrooms and basements. Whereas vitrified flooring can be used in indoor as well as outdoor areas due to their water and frost resistance. Vitrified wall tiles are most suitable for wet areas like bathroom, kitchens, etc. because it has a more resistance to water. It is most suitable for high traffic areas like banks, corporate offices due to their aesthetic look and durability. So friends, I think this video will help you to choose between these two types of floors. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.